My name is Chris Friend. I'm the VP of Sales for North America for our Mobility and Infrastructure Group, or also called M&I. So the Patriot Antenna is very specific to the public sector. Not that it couldn't be used somewhere else, but it was specifically built to solve an age-long problem of an install on a Ford Explorer Interceptor product. Tons of challenges with that. The grooves of the roof, 58 millimeters apart. Everybody's trying to build gaskets or also drilling multiple holes in the roof because they're installing different applications all the way from cellular, Wi-Fi, radio, GNSS, Bluetooth, all the above. So there's a big challenge to install a Ford Interceptor. And I think, you know, as M&I, as we grow with our customers, it's about listening to what they need. What do they need? How do we help them? How do we solve problems that they have? Asking enough questions to make sure that the solutions that we build and provide, we are second to none from an engineering perspective, and we focus on the customer. And I think that's where you'll see M&I go, is listening to the customers and building what they need.